Alright, guys, big news coming in with regards to people who want to come to Canada based on investments. Now, you already know that there were a couple of programs where people used to buy their way into Canada, where they could get their PR and then their citizenship. Well, those programs came to a halt a couple of years ago, and with this particular new program today, you are looking at a new program that gives you a permanent residence by investment. Now, what are the details is the topic of the day. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Guys, welcome back. Once again, my name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we move any further, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you're an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is a channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, what we're discussing today is the very important pathway to PR through an investment. Okay, now the province of Ontario has always been one of the popular choices for a lot of people globally. That's where Toronto is, and that's where a lot of people want to come. Now, the Labour Minister of Ontario, Mr. Monte McNaughton, held a public press very recently, was speaking to a news agency, and he said that the government is focusing a lot on the Ontario PNP and they are trying to raise the current budget or the quota of 9,000 immigrants to about 18,000 immigrants for the next year. They have already submitted that request to the federal government and hope to get a positive response very soon. Now, when you look at the new initiatives, now the Ontario province is going to launch a new particular program which will be accepting 100 immigrants after each person invests about $200,000 in the local companies. The Labour Minister also said that these $200,000 must go towards companies or investments made outside the Greater Toronto Area or the GTA. They also said that there was a similar program which was launched a couple of years ago, that was in 2015, but till date only 2 immigrants came to Canada and they were given their PR. Now, the Ontario Labour Minister says that the Canadian government is trying to bring in more than $20 million through this particular program, and it's just a minimum number. Now, the people could either be buying a new business or they could it could either be starting a new business or they could buy an existing business, but it should be made outside GTA. Now, more details are expected from the province of Ontario very soon on this. It was just a pre-wrap that they gave, but more details are gonna come very, very soon, and let's be tuned for that. Because I hope the news was very helpful and a lot surprising for people who have money but don't have a chance of coming to Canada on a PR. Well, this could be your exit strategy to Canada as a PR. Guys, I hope the news was good. If you have more doubts, if you want to discuss your case, please feel free to drop in a message on the number on the screen. Details are there in the description box. More than happy to speak to you when you book a consultation. Once again, wish you all the best and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.